Hello class. Today we are continuing with the revision book of first chapter Monkey Trouble written by Ruskin Bond. As the title reveals that here is a monkey who's troublesome, doing so many sorts of mischievous here, and a grandfather had brought this monkey named Tutu from a street entertainer for sum of 10 rupees. Okay, and grandfather was thinking that there will be some sorts of enjoyment at my home if I will take it at my home, and narrator was near about 8 or 9 years old that time. There were so many pets at his home, but he had purchased this one also. Narrator has also revealed that grandmother was not ready firstly to keep monkey at home, but when grandfather had make this description that monkey is a girl monkey, then grandmother was ready to keep it at home because she thought that girls were less troublesome than boys. But it proved, this monkey proved her wrong. That monkey was always busy in doing so many sorts of mischievous activities, and grandmother had also come to know about it all. Aunt Ruby and Rocky were also here in the chapter. They were also aware about the mischievous activities of this monkey. Here in this picture we can see that here is a necklace around her neck, and this sort of activities this monkey used to do. We can see here monkey was running away wearing this necklace. Anyhow, Rocky was able to take that necklace out of this muddy river in which monkey had flung it. And here this monkey is helping grandmother in making wedding cake. Here also it had done so many sorts of bad activities, and after taking this cake people had fallen ill, and for so many days they were not able to get up. Here are some statements which you have to find out either these are true or false. If it is false, then you have to rewrite. For example, first is here, the street entertainer who sold Tutu had 3 other monkeys. No, street entertainer who sold Tutu had 2 other monkeys. Okay, third was Tutu. Rocky often gave chocolate and walnut to the narrator. Here you can write here Keshav. Okay, Rocky took Aunt Ruby to the jewel shop. This statement is true, and fourth statement is also true. Here Tutu put some herbs and spices in the wedding cake. It's false. Tutu put some red chili sauce and bitter gourd seeds and some eggshells in that. Okay, and these are questions here. How was grandmother convinced to keep Tutu as a pet? It was, this explanation was given to grandmother that Tutu was a girl monkey, so she was convinced with it, as she used to think that girls are less troublesome than boys. And next is, why did the narrator follow Aunt Ruby and Rocky secretly to the jeweler's shop? Narrator followed them secretly because they both were not ready to take him with them. What reason did Tutu have for following them? Tutu had also thought that there is some sort of secret mission, so Tutu had also decided to follow them. Why did the people in bazaar chase Tutu? People in the bazaar had seen that a monkey was running away with necklace. What did Tutu do with the necklace? Tutu had flung it, this necklace. How was it restored to the shopkeeper? It was restored to the shopkeeper as Rocky searched it for 20 minutes, and when Rocky had observed and find it out that it is the real necklace, it had handed over it to the real shopkeeper. Why do you think some guests were not seen for several days after the marriage? Actually, a guest had taken the wedding cake, which was also baked, but as Tutu had done some sorts of mischievous there, so they all had fallen ill, sick, and for several days they all were not able to get up. And at the next page, this is your story. Numberings were given here. Okay, and in your hearts it is all solutions were given to you, so you can check them again. Next is our poem Birdie Will You Pet by W. Allingham. It's a very beautiful emotional poem. And here, child is saying, birdie, birdie, birdie. Birdie means here bird. Actually, she is calling it birdie by love, with love. Okay, birdie, birdie, will you be my pet? Here, girl had given all sorts of greed to this bird, little bird. That I will. She had also offered that I will give you silk quilt and velvet bed and satin pillow. Actually, these all fabric are very much soft, so she is giving this sort of greed, but this bird is denying to all these sorts of greed and saying that my ivy is that wall which is here with a one sort of plant, it is one sort of vein, it is where this bird had made its nest, and it is saying that when I used to sleep in my ivy wall nest, where my nest is, that time I can hear the fall of rain. I am quite safe there. And in the morning time, first ray of sun used to come to wake me up, and I sing that time and also flap my wings and go away. Another great girl is giving here that I will make a necklace of diamond and amber and jet. These are all costly stones. She is offering here that you look very much pretty after wearing this beautiful necklace. But this bird is saying, no, my necklace of my feathers is very much beautiful for me, and I am not going to sell it for £1,000 also. Means my liberty is better than anything else this world. So bird is denying again that I don't want to be your pet. Here, oh birdie, birdie, want you pet means now girl is saying you will not be my pet. Means here again she is offering that I will give you silver fruit. Silver fruit means the pot which is made of silver fruit here means that bowl we can say, or glass here, golden cup. I will give you golden cup in which you can use to drink water. But again bird is denying here and saying that your silver dish can't be in the forest where I would like to eat, and soft running cool water your golden cup won't provide me. So my liberty is better than anything else here. And here is a stanza given to you, and these are questions here. Who is I in the above line? I would rather sleep in the ivy wall. I is here, birdie means bird here. Next question, ivy is a plant. What does the poet want to convey by describing it as a wall? Means there is its nest, and it is saying that it is much more soft and well for me. It is describing as its home there. What does the speaker prefer ivy wall to? Its nest, its residence, the place where it used to sleep and take rest. And here are some questions after these two lines of your poem. What is a necklace offered by the child made of? A child had offered the necklace of precious stone, but here we can see in the picture, here it is given, but bird had denied to take that. What is the necklace that the bird has made of? It is a necklace of beautiful feather, its own feather wings, its own wings. Which necklace does the bird prefer and why? Bird preferred its natural necklace of feathers because it used to think that my liberty is much more better than anything else, and it loves its liberty. Rhyming scheme is here AABB okay. Pick out at least 3 example of alliteration from your poem. Here is fair, fine, FF sound is here, and next one P, please, this pretty, PP, this sound is also here. And there are so many other examples also, you can find it yourself. So do your revision for your exams.